Hello everyone, welcome back. Crown Geek here. So enjoying the Windows PC or laptop without the software or utilities is like the home without any kind of furniture. Now you might have multiple issues using Windows 11 or even Windows 10, and in this video I'm going to share 5 amazing lightweighted tools that will help to get rid of many annoying problems on your Windows PC and laptop. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. And let's start with number 5, that is the TidyOS. This is a free open application that you will find on a GitHub page. It's a very lightweighted application. You even don't have to install it. Now, how this tool will be helping you? Now, once you bring up this tool, you get tons of options here to manage your start, where you can disable the File Explorer advertisement, finish setup advertisement, personalized advertisement, setting advertisement, general tips and advertisement. So there are many things that you can manage here by just bringing up. All right, so these are the things you will be getting the start menu. Similarly, if you come to the debloating section, you can debloat all kind of unwanted bloatware that is on your Windows 11. Simply, you will have to select the bloatware that you want to remove. Once selected, you need to click on remove selected, and all this bloatware will be removed completely from your Windows 11. Then you also get the scripting option, and in the scripting you can use many kind of script to install the browser like Chrome or Firefox. Then you have the tweak plugin where you can clear the icon cache, you can hide the file extension, you can bring up the Windows old remover, Windows rollback timer, you can manage it. Then you also have the TidyOS application that you can bring up from here only. So many options that you get here in this free tool, and I would recommend you to try at least once. Next, we have the TranslucentTB, and most of the users want to have the transparent taskbar like the Mac operating system to make their Windows 11 more attractive and more engaging. So you can easily download the TranslucentTB, and you can see that it says only uses a few MB of RAM and almost no CPU. So you can click on download the application. So once it gets installed, bingo. At the bottom, you can find that I have the transparent taskbar here that looks very engaging and very attractive. The desktop looks very neat and clean, and if I hide the icons here, now if you want to manage this taskbar, the transparency, then you can click on the drop down at the right hand corner. You will find the TranslucentTB icon. Make a right click on it, and if I hover up on desktop, so you can see that I get multiple options. Like either I can go with the blur one, or I can go with the opaque, normal, clear, that will make the fully transparent. So you can try all of them and see that which one suit you best and whichever you like the most. There are many more things that you can enjoy here and make the changes on your taskbar. And now number 3, we have an amazing application, the free utility that is by the name Everything. Again, it's a very lightweighted and a very small application. So once you come to this page, you can just go ahead and download and install it. And after that, you will find this new icon, this new search icon here. And if you bring it up, so you can see that it's an advanced form of the search of the Windows search, where you can type anything and this will display each and every file in the depth that are being hidden on your Windows PC and laptop. Now, why I'm recommending you this tool? Because I have seen people reporting that they are trying to search anything, any kind of file, any kind of application, any kind of game on their Windows search, but they are not able to find it out. Even it doesn't work properly, it is stuck many times, it takes a long time to reload and search. So I would recommend you to go with an alternate option, that is Everything. And here you can type, like if I tidy, so it will list me all kind of file, all kind of folder that are related to the tidy. And I can very easily locate them. I just need to make a right click on it. Then I can view the path. I can extract it if it's a zip file, or I get multiple options here. Or I can even make a double click on it and open the file. So this can be really a gem for you if you're looking for any kind of advanced Windows search on your Windows 11 or even for Windows 10. Now, number 2, we have the Powertoys, and it's a very famous application now, and I'm very sure that majority of you might have, you might be using it or you have heard about it. And it's an official application from the Microsoft. So you can get this on the Microsoft page only. You can click on install Powertoys. Maybe it will redirect you to the Microsoft store. So you can go with the basic installation. Now, once you install this application, you get many features and many tools. Let me quickly show you. it will bring up this kind of dashboard. And in the dashboard only, you can see enable module. Like you get the advanced paste option always on top. I've already created a dedicated video on this. And if you want to check that, what exactly they provide you, then you can check it. Always on top will keep any application on the top of all the browser, all the other application, so that you can easily focus on it. Awake will always keep your PC awake. A color picker through which you can pick any kind of color and find their code. And so you get crop and lock, fancy zone, file locksmith, find my mouse, which help you basically to find your mouse. Image resizer, again very useful thing that you get within the Powertoy only, through which you can resize the image. Power rename, registry preview, Powertoy run, screen ruler, workspaces, zoom it. There are many other applications that you can check here, like mouse highlighter. So if you do any kind of teaching work, let me show you that how exactly it works. So it says press Windows Shift and H key. And once I press it, so you can see that the highlighter is being enabled. Now wherever I will click and hold it, so I can easily hover up and highlight that particular area, whichever I want to. So very useful feature again that you can enjoy within the Powertoy only. All right, now let's move with the last and the number one application utility for Windows is FilePilot. That is an amazing and the advanced form of Windows File Explorer. Now before downloading and installing it, let me bring up the File Explorer. So this is how exactly the Windows 11 File Explorer look like, where you don't get many advanced options. But now let me go ahead and install it. And you can also see that it's only 1.8 MB. Alright, so once it will be downloaded and installed, you'll be getting this kind of new File Explorer that looks really amazing. Now in the beginning, probably you find the icons, the size of the format very less. So what you can do, on the right and top, you need to click on the three dot. Then you can look for options. And here you can increase the font size. Alright, so in the beginning, it might be very small. So you can make it around 11 or 12. Okay, and now next, let me show you that how fast it works as compared to Windows File Explorer. So if I bring up the File Explorer here, that is the default Windows 11 one. And if I open up a new tab using the Control T, so just notice the response time. All right, and if I do the same thing here, bingo. So you can see how fast it is responding. It's working very fast here. So this File Explorer will be much faster as compared to your default Windows File Explorer. Now not only this, and you get two advanced search here. At the bottom you find the filtered 12 file, where you can filter all these files by searching anything. And then also on the left and top, you also get the new filter that is for searching globally. And that is basically very similar like everything, the tool that we discussed before. Another new thing that you will notice here, if you open up a new tab and if you drag it, so you can see that it gives you multiple, it's a kind of a widget that how basically you want to view it. You want to view in the full screen or on the right of it, like by left and right, or like this. Okay, so if I choose this one, so bingo. So you know, the new File Explorer, the new tab will be coming up like this. So another new thing that I find over here, and I like it. Next, now part of the right click, generally when you make a right click on any of these location or any folder, you get all kind of these options. Now what else you will be getting here, if you make a middle click, that is the wheel click, let me do it, you get more options over here. So if I open up the File Explorer and if I try to do the same thing over there, so making a middle click doesn't do anything over here. But if you make a double click over here on any of these location or folder, so you will be getting these new options. Options, open File Explorer, open console. So from here only you can open the console on this location only. Alright, so this was the reason I shared this with you guys, and I really like this tool as well. So if you need a advanced form of the File Explorer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then you can definitely try this one that give you many options. Like with the searching, it works faster, it give you multiple options. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you will find all these tool utilities very useful for your Windows 11, and let me know which one you like the most, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.